Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you fine in your homes. This is the third video lecture of class 6 science chapter number 2 sense organs. As you know, there are 5 sense organs in human body. These are smell, taste, touch, hearing and sight. Today we discuss about first sense organ of human body. This is the eye. As you see, this is just model of eye. Our eyes, we see with our eyes. Our eyes tell us about color, object, shapes and movements of object around us. This is an eye. The eye is the organ of sight. The white portion that you see is sclera. This is a white portion of the eye. This is flexible tuft and it helps the eye to maintain its shape. Now we go towards interior portion of the eye. This bulky portion is called cornea. This is cornea. It is transparent. Cornea is a transparent portion. The layer that appears of hair by taking sclera is choroid. This is choroid. It is a strapped portion because it absorbs light that passes from the retina. The layer that you see here easily is iris. This is iris. These are the muscles of iris that are controlled by nervous system. There is a hole in the iris. In human eyes, this hole color is black in every human eye. This is hole. It is called pupil. Our pupil contracts in bright light and it contracts in bright light and expands in dim light. Behind the pupil, the lens is present. This is the lens. Our lenses are very flexible. Behind the pupil, the lenses are present. Our lenses are flexible. The lens helps the eye to focus light. This is retina. This is retina. This is retina. This is sensitive portion. Light sensitive portion is retina. Eye lens forms the image on the retina. And this is optic disc. This spot is called optic disc. It is also called blind spot. The optic nerves are generated from the optic disc. This is the structure of eye we study in detail. Today we discuss about the function of eye, how light rays enters the cornea. The cornea pass this light to the pupil. The pupils behind the pupils, the lens is present. The lens focus on the light. The light sensitive portion, the image is formed on the retina and retina makes signals. These signals carried by optic nerves. These optic nerves carry signal from retina to the brain. This is the function of eye. We study about structure and function of eye today in detail. Hope you all understand my lecture well. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.